Thank you! Good day, good sir!
What took you so long?
Traffic was rough!
It's empty.
I got hungry! Wait in the car! Bye! Hey, I'm coming! Hit the brakes! Hit the brakes! You've reached the help desk!
Hi, I think my human's broken.
Care to explain?
So dinner's always scheduled at 6 o'clock, and it's 6:01.
Dinner's late!
What do you recommend I do?
We're all dying to know.
Can you steal his socks?
I can try.
What's a sock?
Human pass leaves.
Oh, well, that's silly.
Oh God, he caught me. Please send help.
No! Oh my gosh! Hang in there! I'm coming!
Oh dear.
Call the Avengers!
Well, martini anyone?
Guys! Try to find me!
Hide and seek?
I prefer seek and destroy.
Can I count?
Okay, go!
1, 2, 3.
Ready?
Well, guess I'll cancel my tea time.
Guys! Look! Can you see me?
Thank God for my 9 lives.
Did you guys find me? Good spot, right?
You want your dinner?
Can you see me? Guys, wait!
Thousands of dogs are descending on Philadelphia as Chonk Fest gets underway. Locals are encouraged to stay in place as Chonk Nation takes over for 3 days in the greater metropolitan area.
Move it, me!
Oh, what the
Potato down.
I can't feel my boss!
Were there lots of doggies?
Done!
I'd rather bathe in cyanide.
Did vaccine make it? Any messages?
A few. Alexa,
Yes, Lord Theodore.
play the dog's messages.
Hammy has 2,000 new messages.
Okay, I'm coming. It's stuck, Dad! Olivia, that's a bra! Thanks, genius! Duh! You're too young to wear a bra, give me that! Big girls wear them, Dad! Liv! I need support! You're not wearing bras and it's not even on right! My ears are big! Olivia! What? Dad?